Hello everybody, welcome back to CNS Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle, here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and man, really exciting stuff this week. This is the week we are doing Corvette at Carlisle, and I'm going to bring you into some of the details of what we got going on, some of the things that are going to be happening here at the shop this week, so let's get into it. Hey guys, just a reminder, and a thank you for getting us past 80,000 subscribers, which is huge for our little company and our little YouTube channel. Again, we're trying to get to 100,000 by the end of 2025. So if you find value in what we do, please add a like or a subscribe. It really helps our channel, allows us to do more of this in our busy day, and I really, really appreciate it. Thank you for those of you who have joined, and thank you to those of you who are going to. So as we film this, our truck and trailer with Steve and our parts manager Chris are already halfway to Carlisle. Tony and I are still here, just buttoning up a few things, keeping things running smoothly. And then he and I fly out for Carlisle tomorrow at 4 a.m. Good times, good times. But we're going to be just fine. A little sleepy, but we'll be fine. We're going to do something different this year at Carlisle. Because I have the luxury of having Tony, who's our filmer and video editor and all that stuff with us on this trip, I'm kind of going to take you guys through the entire process of what it's like as a vendor to arrive at Carlisle, find your spaces, bring over the trailer, unload, set up the displays, show you what goes into these shows and what all of the Corvette vendors who attend shows like this, the amount of effort they put in to bring a good experience and good products to you. So this will kind of be a peek behind the curtain when it comes to what we do to be able to see you there. Speaking of seeing you there, we are at spaces IF 87, 88, 89. It's about 100 feet northeast of the stage, right in the center of the fairgrounds. Can't miss us. Look for the big red CNS Corvettes flags on either side of our tent. I cannot tell you how excited I am to see you guys. I know I met a bunch of you last year. I'm sure I'll meet a bunch more people who I haven't met in person before. This is the coolest part of the year for me because I actually get to interact in person with people who watch our channel. You know, yes, we have people come into the shop from time to time who watch, but this is the one place where I get to, you know, shake your hand and talk to you a little bit about your car and any questions you may have and, you know, take some pictures, whatever. I'm really excited to do that. This is also Tony's first experience ever at a Corvette show. Certainly, he's starting with the big one, right? There's no bigger one than Corvette at Carlisle. So I'm excited to watch him have this experience as well. You'll get to meet him. Also, Steve will be there. Chris, our parts manager, will be there. And we're going to be filming. We're going to be selling stuff. I'm really excited for it. Can't wait to see you. Please, you know, even if you just want to drop in and wave and say hi, we'd love to see you. So again, spaces IF 87, 88, 89. Buttoning things up here today. One quick thing. Because we loaded so much inventory into our black 40-foot trailer, there are a couple of items that I took everything I had on the shelf to the show. So certain items like the antenna mast replacement kits and stuff may not ship out till Monday. Only because I took everything we had because I couldn't get it in fast enough. I have more on order, and they'll be coming in next week. But just be aware, this is the 1 week of the year where we don't necessarily ship out within 24 hours because so much of our stock is currently not here. So just please be patient with us. I very much appreciate the leeway you give us this 1 week of the year so that we can go up to Carlisle and do our thing there. And then we'll get right back into regular shipping on Monday. That's pretty much it, guys. Any questions, comments, put them below. Can't wait to see you all there at the show. We're going to have a really good time. Weather looks great. Let's go.